Hello everyone. This is next in the series of mismatch under image to diagnosis. This is a 15-year-old girl presenting with pain lower abdomen for 1 week, and these are the sagittal and the transverse scan of the pelvis, and she has been scanned before. The report of which said uh, features suggestive of vesicovaginal fistula, possibly congenital. So this was the previous report, which so she was referred for second opinion because of mismatch. What was the mismatch and what was the final diagnosis? This case scenario is to highlight the importance of clinical information, logical analysis, and the importance of a repeat scan. So if you would like to see the workup, please log on to sonoshare.in and listen to the lecture on mismatch general sonography, fifth in gynecology. Thank you.